Alright guys, welcome back. Tech with Obed here. And as you guys already know, and probably are aware, while I was on vacation, Verizon had a abysmal quarter, very bad. I was debating about whether I wanted to make a video about Verizon because it's just so bad. Um, so Verizon's stock dropped last week, so bad, the worst I've seen. So these are some of the key points. Shout out to Joe Tenberso from the Motley Fool. Appreciate you for the article. So one of the key points: retail customer losses offset growth in business accounts. Competition-driven promotions are denting profits. So with all that Verizon has spent so far, they're not getting that return on investment. They're not competing. They're not doing anything. They're just being the premium Verizon. If you can't pay for my service, then oh well, it is what it is. While on the other end, T-Mobile and AT&T are competing for customers. On the other hand, Verizon just doesn't want to compete, so that's on them. Although they've made most of their money already, so it's fine. But with the spectrum they bought, they need that return on investment, or else investors are going to be questioning what the hell they're doing. And quite frankly, and this is just a hot take. Well, may not be a hot take, but some of the investors are starting to believe that Hans more likely or needs to go, because where they are headed to is not so good, especially with right now we're in a recession, whether you want to believe it or not. The economy is tanking, whatnot. So people are going to be very, very sensitive about how they spend now. So with that being said, I'm just going to quickly go through this. But gosh, this is just so bad. So Verizon's quarterly revenue inched up 1% year over year, up to $33.8 billion. The wireless leader gained at least 227,000 postpaid net phone subscribers in the business segment, but lost 215,000 high-value customers in its retail segment. That is atrocious. And Verizon is facing intensifying competition from a newly streamlined AT&T, which pretty much sold off all their media assets. So AT&T is more of a streamlined company. They're focused on wireless more than ever, especially with the FirstNet build out. So they're better off. So Verizon's adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, a closely followed metric. Total communications companies declined by 2.6 to 11.9 billion. So the decline in profitability took a toll on Verizon's cash production. Its operating cash flow decreased by 13% to 17.7 billion. So Verizon's chief officer Matt Ellis told investors Verizon troubles are most likely to be transitory, although its recent performance did not meet our expectations. We remain confident in our long-term strategy. These guys are so out of touch with the consumer. I'm telling you, these guys are full of crap. Everybody from the top executives all the way down from the team of Hans needs to go all together. This is just very bad. This is like kind of what Joe Biden said a year ago, saying, hey, it's transitory, but he was wrong. I mean, you guys got to see this. I'm very fair and balanced on this channel, but you cannot tell me that you expect customers to pay the premium product with inflation still being the top concern, gas prices, and various other things. So, likewise, what I'm hearing, the investors are wanting Hans to be let go, possibly. And this is allegedly, so this is not 100% confirmed, but this is what we're hearing. So likewise, I'll leave this article in the description down below. You guys can read it more thoroughly for yourselves. just give a quick rundown. But once again, shout out to the Motley Fool and Joe Tennyborough Soul for this article. Great one. Broke it down as simple as possible. So, appreciate you guys for walking with me. Follow me on my Twitter. Follow me on Instagram at Tech with Obed. And I'll see you guys on the next one. We are out of here. Deuces.